All Pro Gutter Guards provides complete rain gutter solutions in Vineland, NJ, designed to protect your property from water damage year-round. We provide honest assessments, transparent pricing, and customized recommendations to ensure your gutter system performs efficiently in every season. Call our Rain Gutter Solutions team if you have any questions. Are you looking for a rain gutter solution near me? You can stop looking. You found All Pro Gutter Guards. How do I know if my gutters need to be repaired or replaced? Common signs include sagging gutters, leaks, rust, water pooling near your foundation, peeling paint, and overflowing during rain. We offer free inspections to determine the best solution. Do you install seamless gutters? Yes, we specialize in seamless gutter systems that offer better performance and durability. They reduce leaks, improve appearance, and are custom-made to fit your home. What is your service area for Vineland, New Jersey? Our rain gutter solution has helped clients in Vineland, Woodlands, Robinwood, Fountainhead Orchard Hills, Halfway, Woodcrest Village, Funkstown, Paramount Longmeadow, Kemps Mill, Mogginsville, Chewsville, Mount Etna, Beaver Creek, Kierfoss, Broadfording, Middleburg, Wood Point, Pinesburg, Jugtown, Pontsville, New Jersey. Where is your Vineland, New Jersey Rain Gutter Solution office located? We are located at 634 North Brewster Road, Vineland, New Jersey 08361. Our phone number is 856-754-4895. Visit our website, www.appgutterguards.com/Vineland-New-Jersey.